Welcome to our phonics work, fifth graders. Today is day 3, and our objective for today is I can read, review, and practice homophones. And if you remember from last week, homo means same, and phone means sound. So we're focusing on words that sound the same, although they're spelled differently. You will need your My Word Study book and a pencil, and we're on page 45. Okay, fad or not. All right, so we are going to read the article, and you'll read it silently. Read it to yourself. Feel free to annotate the text, underline something you find interesting or that you connect with. All right, and then at the space at the bottom of your book, okay, we're going to be answering some questions. Okay, the first is, how did some people long ago react to new inventions? Cite examples and details from the text. Okay, so how did they react to new inventions? Second question is, why do you think people reacted this way? Okay, this is your opinion, so you don't need to find evidence from the text. And then lastly, have you ever seen a new invention that you were skeptical about at first? Okay. Skeptical. It's an interesting word. It caught my attention. But skeptical means that you questioned it, you doubted the invention. All right, so today's work will be done directly in your book on page 45.